Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon. So in Minecraft, it's going to be very easy. Now let's go here to my world and let's see what's going on. There is balloons over here since there's a party, and what we're going to need is a chicken, whatever that's called, don't mind about that, and fence, and clay. We're gonna make it light blue. Let's change that into the fence. So what we're gonna do is dig there. Is it one, two, three? Okay, that's already 3 blocks. Now we are going to spawn the chicken and just make it any height. I'm gonna make it this height, very, very high. Then we're gonna place the fence here.
Punta pa yung Android dito, medyo screen recorder na galing lang din sa Play Store.
Weed.
And fade away.
There. Then turn this into a grass block. Hey, I guess that's what you call a balloon. It's weird because it's black. That's not black. But sure, that is how to make a balloon, guys. So you could make any kind of color. So bye, guys. See you in the next video of how to draw whatever my channel is called. I forgot. But leave a like. And sure, if you like the video. Oh, I'm already done. Sorry about that, but leave a like and subscribe.
May pasok ka pa pala bukas eh.
What's Friday?
But you have lessons.
I'm done.